How you doing out there, lawn care family? This is Darian, Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care. About to start a new commercial account with Child Development, a daycare that we're going to start you off by letting you see how we get this thing initiated, and we're excited. Got my crew out here. As you see, we got some bushes. Got a lot of things going on in the back. We're gonna get it taken care of.
So we got another commercial here. Basically, it was a basic cleanup, and also they wanted to go with bi-weekly services. But I encouraged the client to go with weekly services because I knew that the property would be well maintained better with a weekly service. One of her concerns was us coming so frequently, disturbing the kids when they want to go out and play. But I told her that we service properties, commercials on Sundays, so it fit royally into our calendar. Later on, we're going to come back and do a mulch job for her as well, playground mulch. So as you can see, cleaned it up really nicely just for a basic cut. So one of the things we also do is spray weed kill around the fence area, so we won't have to do all that weed eating on the property, because that will definitely slow things down, and you will lose time doing a lot of weeding. So we also spray sometimes around the playground. You see the border. Make sure we don't have to do a lot of weed eating in that area. So see how everything's look nice and clean. Get that mower in there and get out of there, reducing the price for the clients, and we can also make a little profit. So we also did a pine straw installation for this property. Definitely made it look better as far as its curb appeal. You always want to offer the client something that make their business more attractive to customers. So I definitely sold the pine straw for that. I typically double the price of the pine straw. That includes my installation. I also add in a little delivery charge to get the pine straw to the location. So I really don't make a whole lot of money on the pine straw installation, but I know I'll get that back with the lawn service that I offer up that's weekly. So definitely want to check your numbers. Maybe you can get your pine straw cheaper, save the client some money, and of course, saving the client some money, you can bid better and get the contract. So one of the things that I'm definitely doing from now on is making sure that I bid it to where the client wins and I win on the mowing part. So one of the things that you want to think about. So coming to the end and coming to the close, hope you really enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.